Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be opening this huge packet of chocolates, and it's from a brand known as Gander, and pick one mini mix. So it has these 4 chocolates. First one is Hawaii Coconut Blast, then another one is pick one chewy caramel, then pick one waffle crisp, and then southern peanut crunch. Quite nice. Apart from that, they have explained each chocolate, what it contains, all the ingredients separately, and nutritional facts, that too separate about all the 4 chocolates over here. So it's a new brand. For the first time I'll be opening these chocolates, so let's open it. So here are the chocolates. The colors are very nice, interesting: red, orange, blue, brown, very beautiful. So first one is this pick one chewy caramel. Have a look at the packet and let's open it. So this is how the chewy caramel looks like. So it has caramel as it's visible over here. Camera. Yes, now it's visible. So let me taste it. Very chewy, very nice. I like it, this one. Then let me open this peanut crunch. Quite tighter. It also have some caramel in it with small chunks of peanut. Similar to Snicker, I believe. Quite similar to Snicker. Now this one, waffle crisp. Oh, it's like Kit Kat. The pattern is like Kit Kat. I don't know about the taste. See, the waffle is there. Quite similar to Kit Kat. Now the coconut blast. Hawaii coconut blast. So this is how it looks, and here comes the coconut. This is similar to Bounty, that coconut chocolate Bounty. Quite similar to that. So I believe this is a new brand. and they came up with similar chocolates which are quite famous. So go and try these taste really similar to Snicker, Bounty, Kit Kat. So go and try. Thank you for liking my videos. Please share, subscribe. Bye bye.